Wow, there's something in the water ahead. Wow, it's a cow. The cow is riding a car. After cleaning it, it turns out to be a brand new toy. The wheels can even spin. Let's keep cleaning. What other toys can we find in the water? Keep watching the video. Look here, there really is something else. Wow, it's a dinosaur. There's some dirt on the dinosaur. Let's rinse it off in the water. Its legs can actually move. Keep watching. There's more to discover. I can see it already. Wow, how exciting. It's a bulldozer. Let's try using it to scoop up some sand from the water. This is my favorite vehicle so far. There must be even more exciting toys coming up. Looks like there's something here. Wow, a cement mixer! It's really dirty. Let's wash the mud and sand off the truck. Be patient and watch till the end. There's a bigger surprise waiting. Wow, it's a zebra. It probably can't swim, otherwise it wouldn't have gone to the bottom. Let's take this zebra to the shore. Quick, keep watching the video with me. Wow, another dinosaur. This one's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.